Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news update for June 29th, 2016. We're Wednesday, and today in our tech news update, we have Windows 10 Insider Preview version 14.376 that was released yesterday late in the day. And if you haven't seen so, you can check out my review on the channel where I talk about it. No new features, but interesting talk about the different things, and lots of bug fixes, including 1,800 bug fixes from the previous Insider Preview. So pretty cool. Talking about Insider Preview, we've got now the official date of the Insider Preview anniversary update, August 2nd. So that's when it's all going to happen, starting August 2nd, because Microsoft does say it in the same kind of way of that they announced Windows 10 last year. It's a gradual onset. So anniversary update will be available starting August 2nd, but will roll out gradually to a number of people in the coming weeks. So if you don't see it on August 2nd, it's going to be available in the weeks, next few days and weeks after August 2nd. So it's interesting. They're missing out on the July 29th date. I wonder if it's also, I was thinking about it because I was wondering why they, didn't make an effort to have it before July 29th. And then you're kind of thinking, well, okay, maybe if they do it on August 2nd, people won't have time to try it out really. Maybe there's going to be the hype from the insiders that will have it probably a week or two before. Maybe it's going to push, I don't know, maybe they have some logic that is going to push people to Windows 10 a little faster before the July 29th date. Well, interesting news here. Apple will actually have a patent, and they will add a feature to iPhones that will prevent you from recording or taking pictures at sensitive events like concerts, for example. When we go to concerts, it says on our tickets, no pictures, no cameras, no videos. But the problem is, we all have our phones that take pictures and videos. And since they can't really take out our phones, well, they let us go in with the phones. But one of the interesting things here is that Apple is working on a technology that apparently in concert halls and in places where you don't want to have people filming, they would issue a kind of an infrared signal. And the iPhone, when it sees that signal, would simply say, oh, okay, well, you can't record here. You're not allowed to record here. So this could be a bummer for a lot of people that record at shows. I find that a little, I don't know, a little dumb, because you know what? Rarely, of course, yes, there are, but rarely people will film a full concert. And even though, you know what? I find that people that post those YouTube videos of concert they went to, all it does is give more hype to the concert, and people that didn't go or didn't want to go will see the videos and say, hey, look, this looks so good. I think I'm going to buy a ticket. It's not the same thing being there and watching it on YouTube. So I don't know. I'm kind of not sure about this technology. I hope it doesn't go through. Well, we're exactly a month away from the July 29th date where Windows 10 will start being a paid upgrade. So we have a month left, guys and girls. It's very important. If you haven't upgraded yet and you were thinking, this is your last chance, last month of doing so. And remember that even if you don't want to upgrade right now, maybe you want to upgrade later. Just the fact that you upgrade to Windows 10, get it activated, at least secures your copy of Windows 10 for free for a later use. So you could use that little trick of upgrading, activating Windows 10, and then reverting back to your older operating system. And eventually, if you want to go to 10, you'll be able to. So 1 month away exactly right now, July 29th. Time sure flies. Interesting ransomware that appeared on the web, and it's called Educrypt. And that ransomware is made by a group that is actually good hackers. So what they do is they use the same way of trying to infect users with, a ransomware that encrypts your files. But after it does that, it actually gives you a lesson on screen saying, hey, that because you did this and because you did that and because you weren't careful, and so look, you've got a ransomware that encrypts your data. But the good news, click here and we'll unencrypt your files. So basically, they actually give you a little lesson here. Say, look, you're not careful on the web. That's why you're seeing this. But you know what? You got lucky. This is a good ransomware. We have the key. We're gonna let you unencrypt it. So I think that's nice. Having a little lesson here. It's gonna scare people off, and afterwards they're gonna be much more careful because they were burned in the first place. And finally, we've got new numbers for Windows 10. Apparently, Windows 10 is now at 350 million installs. Last number we had was 300 million. So 350 million Windows 10 active users. This is not licensed, sold, or things like that, like previous versions of Windows. They would give that type of information. This is active users. So 350 million users now of Windows 10. So that's interesting as we're getting close to the July 29th date. 350 million Windows 10 users in a year. I think that's a good number. So this was the Tech News Update for Wednesday, June 29th, 2016. You like our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up if you like the videos. And hopefully you will continue following us on this channel.